Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in beautiful Fairfax, Virginia. We're going to talk to you guys today. We do a lot of repairs on all different types of vacuums, one of them being which is Bissell vacuum products. We are a service center as well as an authorized dealer and warranty center for Bissell. I am not hating on anybody that has a Bissell product, but we get a lot of these and more so than anything else in our store throughout a weekly period. And again, that's probably because we are a service center and warranty center, so we handle both aspects of it. But again, I'm not hating on anybody that's got a Bissell. They are decent vacuums, but there are a lot of issues that do come with them, and it's within a shorter period of time. Typically speaking, the biggest thing we see is no suction. So those are all cyclone vacuums, so they spin the dust and dirt around that container. If you ever see that not happening and you have no suction, that's typically what it probably is that there's loss of suction somewhere, meaning there's a clog in the vacuum, either in the power head area, in the hose compartments, in the canister itself. Typically that's usually what it is. I see that more times than not, people bringing those vacuums in for no suction. A lot of the times too, they're bringing it in for not picking up. Now it can be related to the loss of suction or because the roller isn't spinning. That would be a huge indicator that the vacuum isn't picking up right because that roller is not spinning. More times than not, it's just a belt. Really, honestly, it's very seldom even a roller. Now those rollers are plastic, so if you get hair tangled up on the ends and they're rotating, it heats it up, creates friction, and melts those rollers. But more times than not, those belts break. It's just the nature of the beast. Those rollers aren't meant to handle like a deeper pile carpet. If you get something jammed in there, it's going to keep spinning. There's no shut off on it, so it could pop and break that belt. A big issue too that I see is the handle that goes in to the top base on some of those models. They break off, the little plastic clip breaks off. We can get them. They're very easy to replace and do. A lot of customers will have to go online and do all that. You can just bring it here to us and we can simply replace that clip for you. But really, other than that, I mean, we do get some that come in for motors that go bad and we have to replace the motors. But normally it's just loss of suction or it's not picking up very well. Those are the two biggest issues we see, which is very easy. I have seen a couple cases where the power switch goes bad. Again, it's only a plastic housing in there with a little spring. So if it's an older vacuum or if you're hitting it a lot, sometimes we see those plastic clips break. Those are simple, easy replacements too. So if your vacuum's not turning on, it's probably just a switch. They do go bad very often, and I see that a lot. But the good news is, if it's outside of warranty, bring it to us. It's a free estimate. And before you decide to throw it out, let us at least take a look at it and see what we can do for you. If you have questions, call us at 703-997-9292. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come by and see us here at Ace Vacuums. Thanks, guys.